Cost of living in the USA 2025. How I survive and actually thrive on a tight budget. Rent just jumped another 12% this year. A dozen eggs hit $7.50 in some states. Gas is flirting with $6 again in California. And Netflix, Hulu, Peacock, and Max all want another price hike. If you woke up this month, looked at your bank account, and whispered, "How the hell am I supposed to survive in America right now?" First of all, same. Second, you're not broken. The math is just insane. My name is Lion from the channel Saving Money. And in the next 30 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact budget playbook that took me from $127 left at the end of the month to saving $800, $1,500 every single month on the same exact salary. In one of the most expensive countries on earth. Let's go. My personal story. 2 years ago, I moved to the Charlotte, North Carolina metro, making $58,400 a year before taxes. Solid middle-class income, right? Wrong. After rent, $1,400 for a 650 square feet one-bedroom. Car insurance, $218 AMO. Student loans, $378. Health insurance, $420 taken out pre-tax. And groceries. I literally had $127 left for gas, eating out, emergencies, clothes, everything. For the entire month, one $400 car repair would have wiped me out. I was eating cereal for dinner some nights just to avoid the shame of asking my parents for help at 29 years old. But instead of moving back home or doom scrolling on TikTok, I declared war on every overpriced bill in my life. Fast forward to November 2025, same job, same income. But I now bank $1,000, $1,500 every single month, have a $14,000 emergency fund, and still eat steak, go to concerts, and travel twice a year. And I'm about to give you the entire playbook. No fluff, no just make more money nonsense.
1. Housing. The £800 gorilla average one-bedroom rent in the United States just hit $1,762 according to Zillow's some month before report. In some cities, it's way worse. $3,400 in NYC, $2,800 in San Diego, $2,200 even in Nashville now. Here's every trick that still works. House hacking without buying. I rent a 3-bedroom house for $2,400 total with 2 roommates. I found on the roommates Facebook group. My share. $800 plus utilities equals $580 after I charge them for the master bedroom premium. The 15 to 20 minute rule. Move 1 town over. Example, live in Concord instead of Charlotte. NC gives rent drops $500 instantly. Same thing, Beaverton instead of Portland, Lawrenceville instead of Atlanta, Arvada instead of Atlanta, Arvada instead of Denver. Negotiate your renewal. 73% of landlords will knock. $50, $200 off if you show them cheaper listings nearby and say you love the place but can't afford the increase. I have the exact script in the description. Income restricted apartments. Google USA Plus, LIHTC. Waiting lists some brand new buildings. Cap rent at 30% of your income, even if you make $70,000. 2. Groceries from $480 MO to under $220 MO. Receipts on screen. I'm not eating beans and rice. I still buy ribeyes, salmon, and yes, avocado toast. Here's the combo. Aldi for 70% of the whole cart total, $112 last week for 2 weeks of food. Costco for meat, cheese and coffee, but only the things that are actually cheaper per unit. Walmart pickup plus Ibotta plus Fetch plus Shopkick equals I made $87 cashback last month alone. Screenshot on screen right now, Too Good To Go app. I get $40, $70 worth of bakery, sushi, or restaurant food for $4.99, $7.99 multiple times a week. Flash food app at Major, Stop and Shop, etc. 50 to 90% off meat and produce the day before it expires. By managers special meat at closing time and freeze it. Pro tip: California, New York, and Texas people use the imperfect foods or misfits. Market discount codes in my description for first box $20 or less. 7. The side hustles that actually pay in coming years, no cap. These are the ones I or my subscribers are doing right now. Usertesting.com and user interviews $10, $150 per 15 to 60 minute test. I average $680 MO, doing 3 to 4 a week in evenings. Spark Walmart delivery only during dinner surge in wealthy zip codes. $28, $45 hour after gas. Facebook Marketplace flipping. Buy clearance at Target. Ollie's. Flip same week. Average profit $800, $1,200 Mo part-time. Roadie or Gosher if you have a truck SUV, $50, $300 per delivery on weekends. Prolific.ac surveys while watching Netflix. $200, $400 Mo passive. The mindset that changes everything. Look, this isn't about deprivation. It's about refusing to let corporations take 90% of your income anymore. Every dollar you save is a dollar you get to direct toward investments, toward experiences, toward the life you actually want. When I hit my first $10,000 saved, something broke open in my brain. I stopped feeling poor even though my salary hadn't changed 1 cent. You're not behind. You're just playing a rigged game without knowing the cheats. Until today. If you're watching this in the United States right now and the cost of living has you stressed, anxious, or straight up angry, drop your city and your single biggest expense in the comments below. Let's make this the biggest How to Survive USA in coming years thread on the entire internet. I read every single comment and pin the best tips. If this video helped even one person breathe easier this month, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more Americans who need it. Subscribe and hit the bell because every Thursday I drop a new video exposing another way corporations are overcharging us and exactly how to fight back. You've got more power than they want you to believe. I'll see you in the next one. Now go save some money.